Hello there. You like those pecans? Hello. I think you're gonna be my friend. You are just too cute for words. Yeah. It's a different story today, isn't it? From when it was Red Dog versus Squirrel. Yeah. You are a cutie. I got some more. Yeah, I have some more. You want some more? Okay, hold on just a second. I'll get you some more. Yeah. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Come here. Come here. Come here, Chatty. Come here. Come here.